After a very foggy start to the day, we are now seeing plenty of sunshine out there. And look at this sky this afternoon. This is in McAllen, courtesy of Sky 5. Beautiful blue sky out there. High pressure continues to move in that dry, stable air. So we're going to see quite a few days with a lot of sunshine in them. But let's take a look at those temperatures. It was cool this morning. Now we're warming up. We're in the upper 70s and low 80s with 80 in Brownsville and Weslaco, upper 70s in McAllen and 79 in Harlingen. Dew point values still in the mid-60s, and we have relatively calm winds where they are blowing. They're out of the west-northwest and staying pretty light between about 5 and 7 miles per hour. Taking a look at temperatures across the Lone Star State, the farther north you go, still pretty mild conditions out there, mid to upper 70s and low 80s with the exception of El Paso, currently at 63 degrees, even in the Panhandle this afternoon, right around 74. So it's really not that bad out there. There is a front, and don't get excited. This is not the one headed to the valley. This will actually fizzle out, not really making it here. What we're going to see is high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere continue to bring us some dry and stable air, and that is basically going to reinforce warm days ahead by bringing our flow a little bit more out of the southeast over the next couple of days, and it could pick it up enough to where we're going to continue to see above average heat with that. So it's going to be rather breezy by Thursday, picking up a lot of that lower level moisture, and then ahead of this next front, it's going to arrive Friday, but it'll be late. We could see a few showers. That cold front will arrive later on in the evening, going into the overnight hours on Friday. And then what is going to happen is it'll clear out behind that, and we'll have a cooler weekend, but it'll take it some time before the clouds kind of move out and some of that rain clears out. So we could see a few showers early Saturday. So when we're looking at your weekend forecast, look at this, 68 degrees on Saturday is your daytime high, followed by 72 on Sunday. But the thing about Saturday is we're going to start the day relatively cloudy and with a few light rain showers, so it may be a little bit cool if you're headed out early Saturday morning. And it's also going to be rather breezy, and with those winds out of the north gusting up in the 20-mile-per-hour range, it really could feel a bit cooler than it actually is. But eventually we'll see some sunshine, and then I think on Sunday is the better day for sunshine. But Saturday night is really going to be a chilly one. We're looking at your overnight lows being right around 48 degrees, and then we rebound to the low 70s on Sunday. So we do have that nice little change of pace headed our way. But until then, for the rest of the day, what you're going to see are those warm and sunny conditions all across the valley. We'll have 84 degrees as your daytime high right around 2 or 3 o'clock. And then as we keep going, 6 o'clock this evening, we're still going to see pretty clear skies with temperatures right around 73 degrees. And then by 9 o'clock tonight, still pretty clear. With low temperatures falling into the low 60s tonight and even the upper 50s. You look at your overnight low here, 58 degrees, clear skies, and of course that fog is possible tonight, but the sunshine outside is really doing us a favor. It's going to dry up some of that moisture that's around, so I'm not expecting some really thick fog by any means. It looks like it could be patchy, and there could be spots where it gets a little bit thick, but I don't think we're going to have something like what we saw this morning. Tomorrow, 86 degrees will be your daytime high, sunny and breezy on Thursday. Could kick it up a notch a little bit. I'm talking about 88 possibly for Thursday, and definitely 88 right around Friday. That shower is possible to wrap up the weekend, or the work week rather, as we head into the weekend. A few showers early Saturday. Check it out though. Friday night cools down 57. It will be breezy when this front passes by, so get ready. It's going to feel cool on Saturday, 68 degrees, and then 72 for Sunday, and then 78 by the early part of next week. We'll be back to that mild weather, but a few chilly nights on tap. Saturday night 48, and then we're back to the low 50s Sunday night. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back. Don't go away.